My name's Matt. I'm the Dispatch and Distribution Coordinator from Arcadian Meats up at West Gosford. I'm responsible for choosing the equipment that we use on site here at Arcadian. We decided to go with Toyota Material Handling because we weren't overly happy with the reliability of our old supplier. Once we reached out to the team, we got that quote process starting. They were extremely helpful and it made it very easy to make the decision to move over to Toyota Material Handling. We have 4 electric pallet jacks on site and we've got 4 electric forklifts, a pantographic reach and a moving mast forklift, and 2 of those are a rear counterbalance unit. Every time I need a response from Toyota Material Handling, they're very prompt. They get straight to the point, straight to the nuts and bolts, and help us sort out and fix the issue, just to keep downtime on the site to a minimum. All of our forklifts operate in chilled environments up to -20 degrees Celsius. Surprisingly, the electric units work extremely well inside the cold environment. We don't see any hit to battery life. One core feature of the Toyota Material Handling units is the halo system, which displays a red line on the ground. This identifies an exclusion zone, which keeps the operator of the forklift and the machine itself away from any pedestrians. The Toyota units are the most reliable machines that I've ever used. To me, it's just the combination of reliability and ease of use. Previously, with our competitors' machinery, it was very hard to jump on one piece of equipment and then jump on another. Toyota, it's standardized and it's made it a lot easier for our staff to use. We've actually seen less safety issues and risks on site, predominantly because the operators are much more comfortable using the machinery. I'm extremely happy with the Toyota Material Handling units, especially in regards to reliability and safety. Customer service from the team has been great, and I would and do recommend them to other colleagues within the industry.